I got another junkyard find of the day here. I would have showed this when I found it on the vehicle, but I didn't have a camera with me, so I couldn't do that. But anyways, that is an offenhauser dual port intake for small block mopar. It's on 360. Pretty greasy and grimy. This has got some writing on it. It says dual port. What that says, patent penned. Upside down in there too. Looks like it says offenhauser. I ain't got very good light here, but also says something there. 360. Dual port back there. Anyway, they wanted you to know it was a dual port. And it was an offenhauser. Also has edelbrock carb on it. 1405. I'm guessing it's in good shape. Just needs a cleaning. The truck was hit in the front and it was hit hard. So I assume it was running when it was hit. These intakes are kind of strange. You got an upper and a lower dual plane instead of a split side to side. So your high and your low are split high low the other opposite way. That's what it looks like without the carburetor on it. You see the high side is here. I don't know if you can see it inside, but the low side is there. Instead of your high and low switch from this side to this side, it's front and back. That must be the part number. 73318. Maybe they didn't make a 360 back in the day. I'm guessing that's probably from the 60s or 70s. Not too bad a shape. Not some of these, they called it Porto Sonic or something like that. That might be a different style intake, who knows. I know there's some other YouTubers that would probably be proud that I found this. Finding mopar parts. Maybe not, but Uncle Tony, David Freiberger, Dulcich, Junker Up Dude, they're all mopar people. There's somebody else I'm leaving out. Let me know. And I also forgot about Next Garage. They're mopar people. I'm sure there's more of them out there. I just don't know all of them.